kendo giporo wache kinde ma duond burano dhialo higni 20 nyaka ne chake pacho ka. Watudane kod Walter Nyambaga mondo mi onyiswane kaka giloso gie kindeni.
And after what we've seen for the last 20 years, we've seen that we are celebrating 20 years since the party began. I invite us to reflect on our journey of 20 years since our formation in 2005. We are slightly older than the Constitution of Kenya 2010 that we helped to birth. In 2008, we shaped the National Accord and Reconciliation Act and the Grand Coalition Government. We have made a significant contribution in Kenya's democratization process and economic growth. The question that we ponder today and we have discussed at length is how we as ODM maintain our identity and increase our strength going into 2027. We are the only party that has fully participated